Guys, welcome back to my channel. Got kind of a 3-for-1 video for you today. I'm going to be showing you how I have been detangling my straight hair. At this point, I am getting close to about 2 months since I first straightened my hair, so I have a significant amount of curly roots, so I have to be really careful about detangling my hair. So we're going to talk about my detangling routine, also a little mini review of my go-to butter that I've been using while my hair has been straight, and also one of my favorite styles that I stumbled upon during this time period as well. So when I am detangling my hair, I cannot use a comb or brush at this point because I had about 1.5 inches of curly roots and I am super tender-headed. So if you see me like grimacing, that's because I am in pain a little bit. So I have to be really gentle, just detangling the shed hair from my roots. Got a bunch of it from this session, as you can see. So I just started my roots, gently removing those shed hair and tangles, and then smoothing my hair with my fingers to further detangle it as gently as I possibly can, since the area where the curly hair and my straight hair meets is very, very delicate. So moving on into my butter that I've been using that also made my 2020 favorites list. This is the Ancient Cosmetics Tropical Pineapple and Bergamot butter. This butter has been great for me at not only adding shine, but also as a detangling agent and a styler for my hair. As you can see, I am braiding it up right now. This butter is shea butter based, so it has a nice weight to it, which makes it really great for being able to hold the style that I'm doing right now. Very, very simple heatless waves. I am just doing 4 braids in my hair and then braiding 2 of the braids on each side and rocking them for as long as I can until they start to look a little bit over on the frizzy limit, and then I take them out and I get some really pretty waves. I've mentioned in the other videos from this straight hair series that I have been cutting quite a bit of hair, so my hair is layered here. So I use this extra band to do a banding method just to keep those layered ends from sticking out so much. Alrighty, I've left these braids in, as you can see, for a few days, and once they get to this point where they're like a little too frizzy for me to wear out, then it lets me know it's time for me to go ahead and take them out. So I get my clutch butter that I've been loving and I apply it to my fingers to help to add shine to my hair, a little bit of slip as well as I am taking out the braids. And it also helps to discourage frizz because, again, being that it's shea butter based and it's a little bit on the heavier side, it helps to act as a defrizzer, which is really, really good for when my hair gets to this point where it is definitely loving the frizz life. Once my hair gets to this point, I need texture for my hair to still look good while it's being straight, and once I stumbled upon this heatless wave style, it was my go-to for the remaining 3 weeks that my hair was straight. Not only did I love the way that it looked, but it also helped me extend the style because just leaving it straight, it was not cutting it anymore. And this is actually the first time I tried this style, so I was really pleasantly surprised and happy with how it turned out. As you can see from this video, I could not stop touching it. I had not had my hair styled like this since it had been relaxed. It has not looked like this with these soft waves in my hair, and I just really love that style. And I was kind of sad that I didn't have anywhere to go that day except for Target, so I was just kind of living out my little I'm getting ready to go somewhere fantasy, when in reality I was just about to go to Target. So I just added a little bit more butter to further discourage frizz, and I kept trying to stop touching my hair, but it was pretty much impossible because I was in love with it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little detangling slash butter review slash heatless waves tutorial video, my little 3-for-1. Can't wait to do this style again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.